keep on.
Slow lighting banging all in my trunk. Trunk full of funk, I ain't never been a punk. I blow on skunk, I blow on Doja. Military minded, I'm a motherfucking soldier. Out the streets of the Ridgemont fold. Not no bitch and see I still ain't a hoe. Letting niggas know every day of the year. I pimp my pen and I get my point clear. Why niggas wanna talk down, I don't know. Gotta take a trip to Acapulco from the foe with my fofo on my side when I ride, ready to do another homicide. In the blind by till I'm gone. Nigga, old glory. I'm H-Town and Cali just like Robert Horry. If I do a murder, flee the murder scene. When it's a shortage on the drink, I can't find no lean. From southwest to southeast, bitch, it's about war, not about peace. Nigga like me, I'm bout knocking out teeth. Know I'm saying? I loose your grill. A nigga coming down in the coupe reveal, looking gravy, looking real throw. I'ma be the nigga pulling over at the fucking crossroad with my K on my side. I'm ready to ride, and if I gotta go, it'll be a homicide. Me and another nigga on the way to the Golden Gate. A nigga like me can't wait just to make it to another day. Gotta get the big payout, so get the fuck out my way when I come around your corner so slow. It'll be the nigga in the damn polo. That's the Ralph Lauren, jackers ain't barring. Why I skipped the slab when I went straight to foreign? Sit out like I said it in the old school. Some niggas they be red but zero blue. I come around your corner but I ain't said tripping, but I will. Wet niggas and wet women with the calico. I had to let a motherfucker know that I come around your corner in a Lincoln photo, a box photo, cause I do it in a flash. Nigga, watch out, cause that could be an ad. I rhyme so long, rhyme so strong. I flex my bicep, then I swole on. Get on the motherfucking bench, and when the laws hit the corner, I hit the fence. They wonder where I went, they keep looking. I don't give a fuck like Tyson, I keep hooking. Or maybe like Lennox, I'm strong to the finish. I'm like the ghetto pop, but I don't need spinach. I'ma keep going, I keep on flowing just like the Nile. $1 billion mouthpiece, every time I smile, looking dolder. Nigga ass trade, every time he smile, he can turn the night to day. You can open up the pop and let the smoke come out. We don't give a damn about a crooked ass cop, crooked officer, make a nigga wanna blow the badge off. Yeah, me and Dougie, my motherfucking brother. R.I.P. to my motherfucking mother. That's the Dorothy Marie McVeigh Matthews. There's 10 toes planted in my motherfucking shoe. I gotta be a man, hope you understand. There's nothing but the work and the calico in my hand. On the corner on the ridge band, and I'm serving a fiend. The real live D-boy, and you know what I mean. I be stacking up chips like Lego. Dunk on the punk just like Calvin Cato. Using to the rocket, a 4P like Comets. I don't give a fuck a good bunch of bitch nigga make them vomit on the grind. I'ma take a trip on Greyhound. I'll be flying on the plane, but the dope is on the grind. Hit it to Lake Charles or hit it to Lafayette. Maybe off in Alexandria, but I ain't finished yet. I gotta make the whole I-10. I sin, then I do it again. I get my ends, I'm in my motherfucking Benz. See, got these hoes running round in a frenzy. I be busting full clips till they empty. A piece of potent pussy might tempt me. Rain is trying to send me to the penitentiary. The main reason why I ain't friendly. I'm wide up, but I ain't on no damn starter. The one in the back and he got the camcorder. Recording everything, the foes don't swing. Still pulling up on Fondren and the main looking lovely. Got to look good. I told her Ridgemont Poker, that's my hood. Never been a hoe, I'm letting hoes know. I gotta get a fucking PLAT, but first a GOLD. A motherfucking play. I keep it straight and simple like that. Hit a bitch from the back and I use my motherfucking tool. Make her say ouch when I hit her with the mule.